Hi, and welcome to Holistic Life with Kristen. Today I wanted to talk to you about a viral cleaning trend that I have seen, and I've tried it and it works really well. But I did kind of adjust the quantities of the mixture to my liking. I decided to use, I've tested this out different ways, but in my cleaning solution, I use 1/3 of a cup of Dawn dish soap and 2/3 of a cup of just plain white vinegar. So it's really cheap to buy these in large quantities, and then they're really good to use for cleaning purposes. And they're non-toxic. I mean, vinegar you can eat. Vinegar is safe for consumption, and Dawn dish soap is at least safe enough to wash our dishes that we eat off of. So I don't feel bad about using these things in my shower because your skin is going to be up against those surfaces, and so I always shy away from the really harsh chemicals that are always used to clean showers. Not to mention they'll about chase you out of the bathroom. I don't have any windows in here for ventilation, so I would prefer to use this. It doesn't smell extremely strong of vinegar, which is maybe what some of you were thinking. Some people put essential oils in it. I don't really find that necessary. The dish soap smells pretty good, and it kind of masks the vinegar. And then once you rinse your shower, the smell goes away anyway. So for me, it doesn't leave a vinegar smell in your bathroom or anything like that. It's just very good. And so you can always buy one of these type of dish sponges. And some people were putting the cleaner right into the little nozzle, but I find that spills too much. So I usually will just put my concoction in a spray bottle like this that I just keep right in the shower on that shelf back there. I have plenty of space to keep my spray bottle, and I just leave it in there along with my sponge. And then anytime there's a spot that just needs to be cleared off, I can just quickly spray it down and wipe it. You don't need to do any scrubbing with this. You just kind of rub this brush over the surface and then just rinse. It will take off anything. So whatever soap scum buildup you have in there, this is gonna make really easy work of it. You won't believe it. Even if you haven't cleaned your shower in like weeks, it will clear it right off. You're just gonna be blown away if you give this a shot. So anyway, that would be my recommendation. And if you don't have one of these, you can always use my newest cleaning hack that I actually figured out sort of by mistake is basically a dryer sheet. And it doesn't even have to be a new dryer sheet. It can be one that you've already used, so you can repurpose those into little scrubbers for your shower door, and your sinks. They work really well. They are perfect for that job. Just always be careful, of course, with any chemical that you try for the first time. I don't know what surfaces you have in your shower. I have tile, so this cleaner works really well on tile. But of course, always just spot check and make sure that it's safe for the surfaces in your shower. And as you can see behind me, my shower is pretty darn clean. I use it consistently, just whenever I see a spot that needs addressed, I will clean it down real quick so my shower stays looking pretty nice. Now it's so easy to manage since I found this cleaner. So like and subscribe for more. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.